Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Daily English.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're going to learn how to order food in English, step by step.
Whether you go to a restaurant, cafe, or order online, this skill is very useful.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
So, Alex, are you hungry today?
Always. I think learning about food is the best kind of English practice.
Agreed. Let's imagine we're going to a restaurant. Shall we start?
Yes. 1. Entering a restaurant and greeting.
First, when you enter a restaurant, you usually greet the waiter or host.
You can say, "Hello, a table for 2, please." Or, "Good evening, can we have a table by the window?"
Sometimes the waiter asks, "Do you have a reservation?"
If yes, you say, "Yes, the name is Alex." If not, you say, "No, we don't. Do you have a table available?"
After greeting, the waiter shows you your table. Then, what's next?
2. Asking for the menu and specials. Once seated, you usually ask for the menu. You can say, "Could we have the menu, please? Can we see today's specials?"
Specials are dishes the restaurant recommends today. You can also ask, "What do you recommend? Which dish is the most popular?"
Asking the right questions helps you choose something you'll enjoy. 3. Ordering food.
When you order, you usually start with, "I would like," or "I'll have."
For example, "I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please." "I'll have the vegetarian pizza, please."
And don't forget drinks. You can say, "I'd like a glass of water. Can I have a coffee, please?"
If you want, you can ask about ingredients. Does this dish have nuts? Is this gluten-free?
Very important if you have allergies or dietary restrictions.
4. Asking for changes. Sometimes you may want to change something in your order.
You can say, "Could I have the salad without cheese? Can I get my steak well done?"
Always remember to say please. Politeness goes a long way. 5. Small talk while waiting.
While waiting for your food, small talk is a good chance to practice English.
For example, you can ask your friend, "Have you been here before? What do you usually order?"
You can also compliment the restaurant. "I love the decoration here. The music is very nice."
These sentences are natural and make the conversation enjoyable. 6. Asking for the bill, paying.
After eating, you need to ask for the bill. "Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you accept credit cards?"
And if the food was good, always say, "Thank you, the food was delicious."
Polite words leave a great impression.
7. Useful vocabulary and phrases. Let's go over some important words we use today. Reservation, booking a table in advance. Specials, recommended dishes of the day. Recommend, to suggest something. I would like, I'll have, polite ways to orders. Ingredients/allergies, useful when asking about food. Bill/check, what you ask for when paying. Polite phrases, please, thank you, excuse me.
Practice these phrases and words. They will make you sound natural and polite in any restaurant.
8. Mini conversation practice. Let's practice a short conversation. "I'll be the waiter, Emma. You're the customer."
Okay.
"Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?"
Yes, the name is Emma.
"Perfect. Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?"
I'll have a glass of water, please.
"Would you like to hear today's specials?"
Yes, please.
Today we have grilled salmon and mushroom risotto.
I would like the grilled salmon, please.
Excellent choice.
Viewers, now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this conversation.
9. Ordering tips.
Tip 1. Always be polite and clear. Smile, say please, and thank you.
Tip 2. If you're unsure about pronunciation, just point to the menu and say, "I'll have this one, please."
Tip 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions. What is this dish? Is it spicy?
These tips help you feel confident while ordering.
10. Question of the day.
Time for our question of the day.
We want to know, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant and why?
For example, I love pizza because it's easy and delicious.
And I love sushi because it's fresh and fun to eat.
Write your answer in the comments. This is a great way to practice English writing. 11. Summary and closing.
Today, we practiced ordering food in English, from entering a restaurant to paying the bill.
We learned key phrases, vocabulary, and polite tips.
Don't forget to practice with your friends or even alone at home.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
Click the bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy your meals.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.